Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. Today we are gonna start a series for learning how to write Arabic counting. In this series we will learn writing Arabic counting in tens. Like today we will learn from 1 to 10. In the next videos we will learn from 11 to 20, 21 to 30 and so on. So without wasting the time, let's get started. If you not have watched my video about the Arabic alphabets, you can find the link in the description. Do watch how to write the Arabic alphabets because without understanding the Arabic alphabet, you can't write the Arabic counting because alphabets are used to make the words and the words makes the counting. So do must watch that video and learn the Arabic alphabets if you don't know. Let's get started. For number one in Arabic, it's the wahid. Word wahid. Wow, alif, ha, dal. Wahid. And the digit is the same. One. For number two, it is isnan. Isnan. Isnan is just like alif, sa, noon, and alif. Then noon comes in the end in a full shape. Isnan. The Arabic digit for 2 is just like this. For number 3, it is salasa. Sa, lam, alif, sa, and then the ha. Salasa. The Arabic numeral for number 3 is just like this. Number 4, it is arba. Alif, ra, ba, ain, and ha. Arba. The Arabic numeral number 4 is just like this. For number 5, the Arabic word is hamsa. Ha, mim, sin, and then ha. Hamsa. The Arabic numeral is just like this. Number 6, it is sitta. Sin, ta, and ha in the end with shadda. Sitta. The Arabic digit is just like this. 2 and 6 are very similar. Be careful about that. But the turn of the 2 is just toward the right side and the turn of the 6 is toward the left side. Okay, now for number 7, it is Hamza Sitta Sab'a. Seen, then Ba, then Ain, and then Ha. Sab'a. For number 7, it is just like this. For number 8, it is Samania. Sa and Meen and Alif. Sama, Noon, Ja, and Ha. Samania. It is just like this. Now let's try the number 10, 9 and 10. I have also teach how to write Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah, and other phrases like Ramadan Kareem. You may watch all these videos. You can find the link in the comment box and in the I buttons. Let's move toward the next. It is number 9 now. For number 9 in Arabic, it is Sabah, Samani, Sitta, Tisa. Ta, Sin, Ain, and Ha. Tis'ah. The number 9, numeral 9 in Arabic is the same, just like this. For number 10, it is Ashara. Ain, Shin, Ra, and Ha. Ashara. The numeral 10 in Arabic the same. 1 and the cipher are 0 for Arabic, just like a dot. This is what this is how to write Arabic counting. Do try writing Arabic counting and tell me in the comment box how do you find it. Is it easy for you? Have you enjoyed it? I will wait for your comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also visit my site. You will find much information over there. Assalamu alaikum.